Hello guys, this is my Roblox gameplay again. So if you haven't subscribed, so subscribe. I'm playing Chucho Charles but bad. I don't know how to play this. Let me mute the mic. It seems that I am lagging. Okay. Where do I go? Oh my god. Is this Eugene? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's Eugene, guys. Wow. Eat the train. Let me ride the train. Huh? How do I control this? How can I control this? How? How? How can I control this? Please. Can someone comment on how to do this? Just please. I don't know how to control this. What do I press? I need to go now. I don't know how to play this game. Bye-bye.